Alright guys, we are currently here in Beijing for the vivo X200 series launch. And right now, I'm in the hotel room, but what I have in my hands here is actually the phone itself. This is the vivo X200 Pro, and in today's video, we're going to do a very quick unboxing so I can show you all what's inside. And then in a separate video, I'll do all the testings and all that so you guys can know what to expect. So without further ado, super excited to do this with y'all. Let's do a very quick unboxing right away. Let's go. Alright, so now that we are at the chair, let's unbox and see what's inside the vivo X200 Pro's package. So let's go ahead and unbox this guy right here. We're going to use the hotel card to actually unbox this. And let's pull away the plastics. Sorry for the one-handed unboxing. Now, the moment of truth. Let's remove this cover. Alright, so first up, we obviously have the phone out of the way. This is the phone itself. We'll check out the, I think it's called the titanium colorway. Looks good for now. Let's move that aside and see what else we get in the box. We do have the Type-C cable. We also have a charger in the box, 90-watt flash charge charger. And of course, we also get the casing, transparent casing in the box. So let's put this aside for now and let's try to do the most impossible task of unwrapping this with just one hand. Let's go. I know this is not the best looking unboxing, but alright guys, so we've got the phone out of the way. Woo, look at that. It actually looks sort of a very light hue of titanium, I would say. Doesn't really look very similar to the iPhones. So on first impressions, I noticed right away we do have these flat sides, here, which I love very much. I'm actually a fan of flat sides. And at the front, already I can see that we have here a curved display. And we have here a very large camera cutout at the back. Massive one, guys. So I heard that there's some pretty new updates to the cameras at the back. We'll check that out. More importantly, we still have that Zeiss T-Star coating at the back. If y'all are new, this Zeiss T-Star coating is basically to reduce all the glares and all that, so you don't have images with lens flare. But yeah, this is a very quick look at how the phone looks like. Oh wait, hang on a second. I've actually got the device powered up, and we do have here every single specification that you might want to take a look at. So let me just flip the camera around here, guys. Let me just show you real quick what we are dealing with here. Alright, so in terms of the specifications, check out the processor. We've got the latest Dimensity 9400 octa-core chipset. This is supposed to be super powerful, like way more powerful than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Very excited to check that out. As you can see my specs here, the RAM is 16 plus 16. You have 512 gigabytes of storage and yada yada yada. Blue image chip V3 Plus. Oh, battery is 6000 mAh. That explains why it's a little bit thick on the side, but great to see a large battery on the inside, although it still feels fairly decent. Now, I think the most important part is obviously in terms of the camera. So let me just launch that up real quick. Looks like a very familiar kind of interface over here. We do have a couple of zooms. I'm not sure what the exact telephoto one is. And of course, we also have the Zeiss kind of thing going on at the top here with your vivid, textured, or natural. This is how the display looks like. Not exactly very curved on the sides. I just took a second look at it. It's tapered down very nicely at the corners, so it's not like super curvy, and it doesn't really affect the viewing experience. I think the curve at the side here is mainly to, help you out when you're gliding or navigating back, when you just slide across like that. So it makes the entire interface a little bit smoother, but it's not curved to the point where, the display just distorts at the edges. So yeah, looking great for now, guys. The one last final look, the X200 Pro here in titanium finish. I think the brand new titanium colorway looks fantastic because it's very minimalist. Previously, they had like a couple of different colors. Even this year, they also have the very fancy blue, but I think this looks very clean. Let me know what you think, guys. Does this look clean to you or not? And also the camera bump at the back here is a little bit more, how should I say, symmetrical in terms of this circular cutout. Previously, we had like a sort of like a half moon kind of thing going on, but this year is completely circle, proper circle at the back here. Anyway, thank you for joining me on this very not so great unboxing. Thank you for bearing with me. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video where we test out the phone in further detail. See you all in the next one. Bye bye. Whew.